Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to unbox the new iPhone, the iPhone SE. So let's get a razor blade and cut open the box. And here is the new iPhone. Alright, let's try and take this out. So this is pretty standard. It has a picture of the iPhone. On the left side and the right side it says iPhone. Top has Apple logo, bottom Apple logo. Pretty normal. On the back we can see I got a 64GB SE in white. And let's grab this pull tab and open it up. And now we can lift up the box. And there is the Designed by Apple. Now this has a little quick tips thing, a SIM card ejector, a little bit more information on how to handle the phone, and these stickers. So let's put this all back together, and here's the phone, but let's put this over to the side first. Now we have the wired earbuds. These are lightning, just as you would expect because there's no headset jack. And here's the charging cable, standard lightning cable, and here's the 5-watt block. Notice we don't get the headphone adapter, even though the iPhone 8 normally comes with this adapter. But either way, let's move on to the phone, get this powered on. So we're going to skip through the setup. I'm going to just set it up later. And here is the phone. Looks just like an iPhone 8 would look today. It's white on the back, black on the front. Pretty cool. And if we go in the settings in here, it does say iPhone SE. It's kind of interesting. It doesn't say second generation or anything like that. It just says SE. And that's about it. Now I got to review this phone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more review and repair videos, and hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot to take off the protective layer. Enjoy.